Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my safety oriented class. Today is my class is a basic electrical safety. This I am giving a continuously on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. First I have given you general safety awareness. Then I have given you basic fire safety awareness. Then we have started electrical safety. Here also I have given you last class in one video. Today is my 12th video, because this is a continuous education system which I have planned for safety oriented subject. I request you everybody, please see my classes. This is not only for safety, but those who want a basic knowledge of any subject, that also will be helpful in your life. Okay, let's just understand today's subject. So before the last class, what I had discussed you, what are the safety devices in electrical system. So I have explained you what are the safety devices like fuses, then MCB, ERCB, all these things I have discussed. So today I am not going to give much more time on last classes, because also you will get a boring also. So today my class is what is earthing system. What is earthing system? In electrical you must be heard about the earthing. Why it is required earthing? Why it is so important in every places? What is the purpose of earthing? How we are doing the earthing? All this thing, a basic idea only I have just given you. Earthing is a very important in any electrical system. Why? Because one earth is considered as one of the biggest conductor. So our reference of all the voltage which we are giving with respect to earth. Earth means there are two, the system or whatever the electrical equipments and electrical voltage and everything, whatever there is there, the body we are just giving a earthing. Similarly, the neutral system point also we are giving an earthing. There are two type of earthing is provided. One is called plate earthing and another is called pipe earthing. These two, the purpose of two earthing is same. What is the purpose means? One first main purpose is to protect our life. To protect our life. You may be asking how we are going to protect our life. Just imagine, suppose you are working with an electrical equipment. So electrical equipment can get leakage at any time. Either you are working with an electrical iron or in electrical motor. Suppose this is in the equipment when you are giving, that is giving a leakage there. So if the equipment has not earthed, then if you are just touching it there, then what will happen? The leakage current will go through our body. So we will get a very good shock. So sometimes that can become a fatal also, depending upon your body resistance. So that's why an earthing must be provided in all electrical equipment, the metallic parts. And as per industrial standard, every motor and other thing, at least two places that earthing should be provided. One in, no, because if in case of a one earth failure, the other earthing also we can provide. So first purpose is to protect our life. Second purpose, to protect our equipment. To protect our equipment. Last time I have explained you ERCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. So if earthing system is there, if any leakage is there, then what will happen? That's main circuit breaker will be tripped. Then further damage of the equipment will not be occur there. But if it is not there, further damage also again and again it can happen there. So that is protection of the equipment. Then another one in the system getting a balanced voltage. What do you mean by balanced voltage? In case of our three-phase system, you know that three phases are there, R, Y, B and one neutral. So all the phases the voltage may not be equal, because sometimes the load may be different there. So in order to get a equal voltage in all the phases, because of the difference of load we are giving in different phase in every phases. So in order to get that minimum, that balance voltage, what we are doing is the neutral point we are getting providing earth, that is in the transformer itself, the distribution system, or similar in the generating station itself, in the neutral point we are earthing, and wherever that possible is there, that earthing is we are giving there. Similarly, in the static electricity and other thing, the higher is building and other thing. That also we are giving a earthing system, because in static voltages has reached there, immediately that will go to the earth and that will protect our building. So to protect the equipment, and to protect the system, these two, to protect our life, protect our equipment, protect our system. Similarly, when long transmission lines are there, if the line, sometimes that any of the line can get broken or it can get insulation failure can occur there. If everything we have provided there, then what happens means immediately that main supply point we can get it off there, because of the earth leakage circuit breaker will be there, earth leakage relay will be there, that will be break the circuits there. So the system will be for protection, because for all this purpose the earthing is very important in all electrical system. Generally all the body of the equipments, whatever the equipments we are using, that is we are providing our earthing. Similarly, in the household items, a separate earthing we have to provide it in our commercial connection, in the electricity board connection. Okay, now how many types of earthings are there? There are two types of earthing is there. One is called plate earthing and another is called pipe earthing. Normally plate earthings are mainly for industrial application or any generating station or any where more accuracy, more earthing is required, and it is costlier also. So but most of the places we are providing a pipe earthing. So the pipe earthing, on just a simple diagram I have shown you, I am showing here, about nearly 3 meter depth is there. Then about nearly 300 to 400 so square the depth is there. Then 100 mm one pipe will be there, GI pipe with the GI coating. In between some hole will be provided there. There is separate concrete chamber in the top we are providing here for the connection, and the funnel also will be there, and the cover is there for providing water and everything. How this giving means, the pipe we are just keeping it there, and we will filling not just a mud only, that sand, charcoal and little bit salt also. This is layer by layer we are just providing it there, because why we are providing charcoal can easily absorb water, that moisture will be there, and salt will be giving more condition also. So because of all this thing, this has been charcoal, sand and salt we are filling layer by layer, and the wood conduction will be getting around that pipe. So for that purpose this are being filled up, and here again top that funnel that we are providing is for giving water, so that this will be always in the wet condition. So the maximum circular this condition will be there. All the connection will be provided in here, whatever the body connections and other thing. So these are the normal pipe earthing we are providing in substations, small substations, and also in our house. Some people nowadays just they cannot be using all this method, just using a GI pipe only, simply just inserting the earth. That is not a good practice. This is a good practice for giving a good earthing system. The plate earthing means, instead of this GI pipe, now we will have 60 into 60 type of one plate will be there. That is normally copper plate, but nowadays copper is very costly. So the plate is some cast iron plate or MS plate that will be inside this one. Then all the filling will be similar way. From the connection will be taken with a long pipe in from the plate, and similar the other arrangement will be similar to that one. There what connection will be there. Then what we have to do is periodically this earthing should be checked with additional earth resistance measure is there. With earth resistance, normally a good earth will always giving a less than 1 ohm. If it is 1 ohm or less than 1 ohm, that means that earthing system is good. So I have just explained you what are the different methods of earthing system and why earthing is required. All this you got some idea, because mainly to protect our life, equipment, and also the system, and also the protection of the lines. And there are two types, plate earthing and pipe earthing. Pipe earthing is a normal system, the system which we are providing in our substations and our house commercial thing. That also I have explained how it is there. So I think you got some idea about the earthing system. It is a very good system for electrical thing for a safety purpose. So if you like this class, please share it and subscribe it. I will be coming with another video or next some other day. Okay. Wishing all of you a good day, means happy, healthiest day. Thank you to everybody. Thanks.